Wow, refrigerator is going up. This is so cool. And they also now put some blankets before putting the refrigerator on the trailer. There's like hula hoop. Why is there hula hoop? Do they use it? Oh, is that hula hoop like necessary? Wow, that's a science. Wow. That's a science. That's a science. Okay, so before going up, they load some of the packages on the trailer.
Transformer.
Yeah, it's like transformer. So they just load their packages on the trailer and they're gonna pack it, and then this will go all the way up there, all the way up there. Which floor is that? It's like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's like 14th floor. So yeah, if you like, they are like packing. I think that's the dryer. So he is like making a conversation with a person up there. With the person up there. There's a person looking down. And like they're making like contact on their own style. And after this, they're gonna just like we're gonna wait till they put as much packages as they can. Because once they go up, it takes quite a time. Okay.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. And like me and my brother call it like transformer. Because it looks like a transformer. Like if you're inside like one of the stairs that is below the apartment that are moving right now, it just looks like a transformer if you look it from the inside. Like imagine you see some of the like metal like shape outside your window. It literally feels like a transformer. And they're gonna come down as they finish like picking up the packages into their house. So like different from like some of the people's imagination, like Korean high stairs apartments, if they move in, we do not use our elevators, but rather we use this kind of transformers. Because it's like if you use the elevators, like you cannot really put the refrigerators or easily move those big things like closets or something, but using this trailer is like much easier. So it's empty now. I'm gonna really fill it again. I'm gonna show you once more that they are now going to move quite a big thing. I think that's the refrigerator. So the refrigerator is covered with some like soft blanket like covers to avoid any scratches being made. And they also now put some blankets before putting the refrigerator on the trailer. There's like hula hoop. Why is there hula hoop? Do they use it? Oh, is that hula hoop like necessary? Yeah. So like if you put the refrigerator on the hula hoop, it's gonna be much easier for the person in the 14th floor to moving into the house, because the hula hoop will like make it prevent the refrigerator from sticking on the trailer, but rather they're gonna like make it like move it on easily. Wow, it looks quite heavy. Yeah, I'm sure that's your refrigerator. See, like that's your refrigerator. Wow, they're having a hard time. That's quite, like, not quite, but it looks like so heavy. Very cold.
Yeah.
Don't touch. Oh, look at it, look at that. Ooh. Oof. I'm so afraid. They're gonna do it well. They are professionals. They are experts on this, so like, let's believe in them. Ooh. Wow. That's a science. Wow. That's a science. That's a science. So like next thing I'm curious is that whether the hula hoop will come down again or not. Do you think the hula hoop will come down again? Yeah? Okay. Let's make a guess. I think so too. It's so cold. And there are like two people in the 14th floor looking down at this moment. Because this like refrigerator is a big thing. You will never want this one to like, I don't want to even imagine it. I think it's snowing. Do you see some white flakes scattering above, like in the air? I think it's snow. It's like 30th of March and it's snowing and there's Transformer at the same time. It's such an amazing day. Oh, wow, refrigerator is going up. This is so cool. Wow. They will just stop in the exact exact point, and some people comes up. I don't want. Maybe they're gonna just flout the hula hoops. Wow, how are they going to figure it out? Do you think it's moving? Is it moving?
Yes.
Yeah, really slowly it's moving inside. Wow, it just moved in. Ooh, wow, it's gone. It's gone. It's out of sight. Yeah, the hula hoop is still there. So now we can really can say that that hula hoop is one of the equipment that helps moving. Wow, we are geniuses. Should we go in? It's cold. Yeah, let's go.